Hi, Vines! Hi mga ka-Vines! Tara, mamahaw!
Dumplings. Oo. Si Ma'am Sheila, nangita squatter kita gabi surya nangita kita squatter. Kasi squatter na sila squatter yun. Jud. Ano ba? Ano ba kami? Included na ang Everland at Loro. Pero kita ni optional mag kung wato tap Everland, wato kita sa Fairfield. On the way na. At nalapitan. Dito, taste lang tapos mo dapat na iba. Eka to na-explore ko ma'am kay good. Nakita ko na every day. So, ang ato asad, kung gusto mo seaweed. Ano na kayo?
Naana ta sa bus karon ug mudong ta karon sa Myeongdong. Ug syempre na ay mga side trips na agian. For now, enjoy our road trip.
Have a high technology, so we can have more ginseng and get more energy when we have extra. Okay? And then there is a platinum with the 360 rounds. We have the road. But nowadays, we don't see the box feature at the Laag because we have to stay okay? Inside the capacity, and outside the capacity, the backside boundary, 15 million. Okay? Tapo million sa loob, may ating limang katalabaso. Pero lahat, Metropolitan Seoul, Metropolitan City, 25 million. 25 million. Do you remember how many people living in South Korea? 50. So, 50%. 50% stay at the Metropolitan City. So, that's why every day we have a traffic. But compared to the rush hour traffic, okay, right? horrible reason more than half of the people is moving now. More than half of the people moving. Why? Because we have a underground with the subway. Okay? We call it Seoul Metro. Okay? Metropolitan Metro. If you see the subway man, you will be surprised. Why? Because how many stops? More than 300. So almost 400 subways. 400 subway stops in Metro. Which means every time we can go by subway. If you go there by 8 o'clock, 8 a.m., it's full. Every 2 minutes, the train comes, and then each subway service is full of people by 8 p.m. Then still octopus is the malaki size. That octopus that from Western Sea got from the East Sea. Okay? And also the seafood, another.
Muhapit magkaroon kariyot sa Gym World Art.
Photo and
Ingat mo. Baba ka mo. 안녕하세요.
This is a traditional village, you can see, traditional house. But now turned into the restaurant. But back in that day, the royal family, but they were. So we should learn about the Korean ginseng. I think everyone understand about the Korean ginseng. Korean ginseng is good for what? And again, right? And also if you buy, then 1 year you can use. So it's a good, right? Saving money actually. And then the other one is what? The other one is if you buy a lot of cosmetic, it is bulky. So one of the concern is the space for the luggage, right? But when you buy this one, not too big. So of course, with the case look like a big, but when you take it out, only 2 bottles for the day cream and another 2 bottles for the night cream. You can put and then not to space. Okay? But if you buy toner, essence, serum, eye cream, everything in Korea, already very many, right? So and you will see later, okay? But some of the people, I want to have what? I want to have a more good, faster function. I cannot wait 3 months. I cannot wait 6 months. Lasting. It will be lasting. How many? More than 2 years. Okay, more than 1 year to 2 years, lasting with the younger face. Okay. And some of the people who have a budget. Since I'm Korea, I want to have something very good. Who have a budget? There is a what? Korea also famous what? Stamp set. So stay here. We using for the Navy Museum. Okay, so people can go inside and look around how the Korean Navy battleship look like, and the submarine also. Okay.
Mamalit mi dinhi o skincare products. Mangita na. Ilang barato kasi. Dito ka. Day and night cream. Gusto itong barato, ma'am? Day and night cream.
Oo, katong
Tingin ka dito, ma. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. O karon ani-ani sa kimchi ko. Matingin ka dito. 1, 2, 3. Nag-aantay na. Mamaya na lang.
sorry. Alaw tawag. Diyan sa mata din. At sa mangko.
And there we go, Myeongdong. So Myeongdong.
Karon mudong na ta sa Myeongdong. For now, enjoy our road trip.
Or if you're okay, you can walk along the street of Myeongdong. Okay. Rain and today is what?
Naa na ta sa Myeongdong. Uban nining maglakaw-lakaw dinhi sa Myeongdong karong Sabado sa gabi. Salamat sa pag-uban namo. Kita-kits sa next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe.